Welcome back to another quick guide. Today we'll walk you through how to search Discord servers on mobile. Here are two basic methods to search for Discord servers on an Android device. First method, use the Explore Public Servers feature. Launch the Discord app on your Android device. On the bottom navigation bar, tap the compass icon, Explore Public Servers. Search for a server. Use the provided category on the top, related to the server you're looking for. Tap on one, for example, gaming. Browse the results and tap a server to join or preview. Last method, use an invite link or external server listings. Get an invite link. Visit websites like Discord or Discord.me in your mobile browser. On the search box, search for servers by category or keyword. Hit the search bar to search it and copy an invite link or click Join Server. Join via Discord. If you copy the link, open Discord and tap the plus button on the left sidebar. Choose Join a Server and paste the invite link. Then tap Join with invite link to enter. Both methods are easy ways to find and join Discord servers directly from your mobile. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.